Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2010 Dodge Ram 1500, the 4.7 liter engine. This particular vehicle is one of our long-term customer vehicles, and they called us and said the engine was making some really bad noise. Wasn't quite sure what was going on with it. We got the vehicle in and noticed that there were a bunch of plastic pieces down in the oil pan. It looked like the timing tensioner guides had failed, allowing the timing chain to skip on the sprockets. And on this particular engine, it's called an interference engine, where if the valves are all the way open and the pistons are all the way at top dead center, they can hit each other and cause some major damage. We informed the customer that there were several options, one being replacing the timing chains and putting the vehicle back together that way, but there was a possibility that there could be some bent valves, or we offered to source a used motor for them. They opted, with the miles that were on the truck already, to not repair the engine that was in it. They wanted to source a used motor with less miles and be able to keep the vehicle in their fleet for a longer period of time. As you can see here, it's a pretty extensive operation. You got to take the transmission off, then pull the engine out through the hood to be able to replace that engine with the used engine that we sourced. Got it all back together, took it for a spin, everything was good. Check engine light was off. We felt very comfortable handing the vehicle back over to them. So if you have a vehicle that's got an engine issue, you're not quite sure where to take it, we do offer free estimates. So feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. Thanks for watching. Please share our video. We'd like to get our information out to everybody that we possibly can.